How do you say Thursday in Spanish? The word Thursday in Spanish is jueves. Jueves. Jueves es el día de tapas en el bar. Jueves es el día de tapas en el bar. Thursday is tapas day at the bar. El concierto es el jueves. El concierto es el jueves. The concert is on Thursday. The word jueves comes from Jupiter, the king of the Roman gods. It's the same as the English Thursday, which we get from Thor, who was the god of thunder. Nos vemos el jueves, vale? Nos vemos el jueves, vale? See you Thursday, okay? Los jueves hay clases de yoga. Los jueves hay clases de yoga. There are yoga classes on Thursdays. Jueves es mi día favorito. Jueves es mi día favorito. Thursday is my favorite day. So if you want to say Thursday in Spanish, you can say jueves. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.